In our first example, we use the output text property to display our results. But response is an object with many other pieces of information. Let's see the full response object. We can use Python's JSON dumps method to view this object. First, we import the JSON package. Let's take a closer look at this JSON output. Here's the unique ID for this response. Here are some response-specific properties. The output array has all the interesting stuff. In this simple example, we have two elements in our output array: a reasoning object and a message object. The message object has a content array, which has the model's response. As mentioned earlier, many of the SDK responses include an output text property, which aggregates all text outputs from the model into a single string. The output text property gives us a quick way to access the results of our call.